All right, guys, so went to McDonald's yesterday, went through the drive-thru, had my credit card out, and it fell through the crack between the center console and the seat. Unbelievable, so stupid, right? So check this out. So you can see how easy it is to lose stuff in there. Then I raised the seat up, I tried shoving my hand under here, couldn't find it. So I said, screw it, I'm pulling the seat out. So, we got the bolts for the seat. They're just a T40 hex. So there was basically a bolt that went right there. And there's two bolts in the backside. When I rolled the seat forward, you can get to those. It's kind of hard to show you, but I'll get the seat out of here and then I can show you guys. So we're gonna pull this seat out really quickly. All right, so we got the 4 bolts out. So the holes, there's one under this track, one under this one. Now we're gonna get the seat belt out, which I think is a 15. Boom. Take that off, slide that out, and this slides right through. Easy peasy. Now we gotta get the connector out. Now, a lot of you might be wondering, well, why in the tarnation would you do all this to get your card? You don't need to pull the whole seat. Well, you're right. I don't need to pull the whole seat, but there's a bunch of freaking glass in here from when we did that prank. Oh! So it's just time to clean that glass out. Now comes the hard part, to not f*** anything up. The seat's super light, at least. What's weird is my card's not under there. Okay, that's really weird.
Or under the carpet, yeah.
You know what's cool is you can see the carbon fiber.
That is cool. It's
monocoque. It's a little dirty, but yeah, if it rolled forward and went under here, no, it didn't go there. What the hell? Huh. There's so much glass.
I know, dude, it's everywhere.
Well,
it didn't possibly fall in the other one?
No, because I saw it go down there and I was trying to reach for it.
Okay, it's got to be in the chair somehow.
Somehow, some way. I'm so confused. Look who makes these seats. Recaro.
No way. Oh, that's funny.
I don't see a card anywhere.
Seems like kind of a big control module for the seat, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. And it's not like it has massaging seats or anything.
Right.
There it is, no seat. 4 bolts, 1 connector,
Here, you get
a
this
seat belt. Yeah, not too shabby. I'll start working on the other side. So I don't know how this happened. I'm obviously gonna keep this hidden, but I pulled the seat forward to get these bolts out. So this is how you get them out. You pull the seat forward, you can get to these 2 bolts back here. And the card was just sitting over here. Well,
It didn't possibly fall in the other one?
No, because I saw it go down there and I was trying to reach for it. I don't know how in the world I didn't notice it fall on the other side or whatever, but we found the card and now Ryan's over here Start
get rid of all this glass.
Look at all that glass. Freaking unbelievable. But we're gonna pull this seat anyways, because look at all this. Tons of glass everywhere. Want to get this all out of here, so we'll stay tuned for the detail portion. So we got both seats out, as you can see. Now Ryan's just going through. We vacuumed all the major pieces up. Now we're getting the air gun out so we can get all the little pieces that went into all the cracks and crevices. So this car is going to be 100% glass free.
All right.
Oops, well, I got some glass in the nice fancy stripes, but that's okay. We'll hit that with a vacuum and get the rest of that out of there. But so far, things are starting to look very nice.
Very nice. Yeah, it's gonna,
yeah.
it's gonna look good.
No glass in
And
here.
it just feels good driving a car that you know is clean.
Yeah. I was hoping to find, maybe some $100 bills from the previous owner in here.
Yeah, what's up with that?
That'd have been
Nothing?
nice. Nope.
Spend it all on fuel.
Yeah. Now we got the carpets all cleaned up. There's no more stuff anywhere. Look at this though. This is straight carbon fiber mono chassis, or whatever people call it. And the bolts to the seats just straight up go right into them. And then Ryan's over here just blowing out some seats.
Yeah, I figured just some glass and still somehow just little teeny pieces of glass are just stuck between here. Since it's out of the car, why not blow it out?
All right, so we got the Adams carpet and upholstery cleaner. So we don't have an extractor here. Well, the order came through and we got one now. So if you guys are interested in doing this detail, we'll link some prices below. This is obviously a pretty intensive one where we pull the seats out, but it's something that we do offer. So for our carpet cleaner, what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray the carpet with some carpet cleaner. Get this plug out of the way. And then we're gonna take our Adams carpet brush and we're gonna start cleaning it out, and then using a microfiber to extract as much of the dirt out of the carpet that we can. And I mean, they weren't really that dirty anyways.
Right. The dirtiest part is like in front of where the seat was.
Yeah. They pulled some dirt
Yeah,
out.
look at that. Right out of the carpet. Dang.
So we just cleaned the seats with some leather cleaner and they're looking really nice. Now we're gonna try to blow out the track system with all the glass and then put the seats back in. All right guys, so I just got back home. I ended up not filming at the shop because it started getting dark and you couldn't even tell. And even in my garage, it's still super dark, but we got the seats back in, bolted all together. Everything's good. Super clean. Great success. It's very nice to have a car that's this clean. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. This is just going to be kind of the daily stuff that we do, so I hope you guys like it. If you do, make sure to comment, also subscribe, turn on post notifications, and thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. We'll see you guys on the next video.